Hey everybody, this is Miss Doak, and we are at Module 2, Lesson 9. So hopefully by now you are wrapping up the Secret Garden and you're really starting to understand the characters and the themes of the story. I hope by now you actually know who's your favorite character maybe, and if you like the story or not. So we are preparing to actually write a summary. So next week you're going to actually have to write the summary. So I kind of wanted to help you start getting your thoughts together, make sure that you are understanding what you're reading. So we are going to have a Dropbox that is due. So basically, you're going to make a PowerPoint and submit it here when you are finished. I will definitely have some help videos in this lesson as well if you're not completely sure how to add audio to a PowerPoint or something like that. And if you need help with this, you can definitely always come to Live Help. So if you click these documents, these are the instructions and the rubric. So let's go ahead and look at the instructions, okay? All right, let me try to get that bigger. Okay, this is going to be called the Friendship Dropbox Assignment, okay? You'll see why it's called that in a second. All right, so the directions say complete a PowerPoint using this order below. Turn it in when you are complete, and this assignment is based on the Secret Garden. So if you haven't been reading the Secret Garden, go ahead and try to catch up and then complete this. All right, slide 1. So basically, when you first start your PowerPoint, this is what you're going to put on there. A title page, your name, the title, which is right here, and then the date that you make it. Slide 2 is going to be your summary of the Secret Garden and kind of like what you think about the story. So this is important because whenever we do our book review, you're going to have to be able to explain what you think about the story and if you recommend it to people or not. So this is a great opportunity to go ahead and write that out. And then later, whenever you're writing the book review, you can come back to this and use it in your book review, okay? So this is a great opportunity to go ahead and get those thoughts together. On this slide, I'd like you to add a picture if you have room. Add audio of your voice. So this is just you explaining your thoughts, your opinions of what you've written down in the text. So you can type it out and then talk about it with the audio. Slide 3. Identify something that has foreshadowed the reawakening of the garden. This may be something that has changed in characters. So give examples from the Secret Garden to support your claim. So think about what has kind of reawakened, like the garden has reawakened, okay? And that's going to be examples of like the foreshadowing that's giving you clues that the garden is going to come back to life. All right, on that slide, write complete sentences, and you can add visuals to that as well. Slide 4, compare the changes that Mary and Colin go through in the Secret Garden. Okay, so they obviously go through very similar changes and kind of have a very similar story. So talk about maybe how that's the same, and you can kind of give examples of what they actually are going through. Slide 5. These are some options of themes from the Secret Garden. You can choose which one you would like to discuss and try to give examples to why that's a relevant theme, and how it kind of relates to the story and to like the characters, okay? All right, slide 6. Give examples of dynamic characters and a major character from the Secret Garden. You can just do one for each and just explain why they are dynamic or why they're major. And then at the end, give your works cited slide. And that's just a citation of The Secret Garden, since we're using information from that book. We don't want to steal it. And maybe any other sources that you've used, like pictures, or if you decided to give a video, anything like that, give a citation. And then here is your rubric. So just make sure you go through it and understand how you're going to be graded. And that will help you get the best grade possible. All right. And whenever you're done, just submit it into Module 2, Lesson 9. Good luck.